Hello, my dear students. In this session, we are going to consider MCQ type of question, mainly fill in the blanks under theory-based accounting. Now, the first question, that is salary. Salary outstanding is recorded on the dash side of revaluation account. Salary outstanding is recorded on the dash side of revaluation account, means debit side or credit side, which will be correct. That I have to select here. Now we know at the time of retirement, if any like expenses due, that is considered as a liability. So ultimately liability increases. So when liability increase, how do you deal in case of admission and retirement, death? Same rule is there. So many numerical problem is solved. So we know how to first this like outstanding salary on the which side, debit or credit of revaluation account. Initially, I'm not going to say the answer. Learner have to think and learner have to choose the answer. Now, after that, question number 2. Creditors of rupees 12,000 were not likely to claim is shown on the dash side of the revaluation account. Again, this question related to retirement, like creditors amount 12,000, which was not claimed. So it does mean liability value decreases. So opposite of the first one, the liability value decreases. So when liability value decrease, how do you deal that? In case of revaluation account, it will be credit or debit. So learner have to select the answer. Now that is third question. Profit on revaluation retirement is distributed among the partner in dash ratio. We know in case of retirement there are three ratio are there. Number 1, that is old ratio. Number 2, new ratio. And number 3, gaining ratio. Sometime maybe sacrificing ratio may can come at the time of calculation of gaining ratio. If old partners, like remaining partner, want to decrease the share, that time that particular partner can sacrifice also. So ultimately, maximum 4 type of ratio we can see in case of retirement of a partner. So here, out of this 4, which is the correct answer? It will be here: old ratio, new ratio, gaining ratio, or sacrificing ratio. Initially, I'm not going to say the answer. This is the easiest one question. Every learner, I think, know this question answer. Now we'll shift to the next question. Share of goodwill of retiring partner is compensated by the remaining partner in dash ratio. This is also related to that the same way, same type of ratio: old ratio, new ratio, gaining ratio, sacrificing ratio. Any of this will be here. So here also same way, each and every problem, at least one treatment we have shown related to goodwill, and so many problem is solved. So therefore, I hope so each and every learner can answer this question. Now the last question from this like fill in the blanks topic, the question number 5. Profit and loss suspense account is often to distribute dash at the time of retirement of a partner. So just last class this type of problem we consider that profit and loss suspense account arises for that at the time of retirement. So generally, one hints I can give here, that there are two type of retirement. One, it is off date retirement, another it is on date retirement. If any partner want to take retirement like due to illness or any other reason in off date, then that type of account we have to open, that is profit and loss suspense account. We have to open to show the actual profit from the last balance sheet till to the closing date. Till to the closing date means till to the date of retirement of partners. So that time we have to open this like new account, that is called profit and loss suspense account. And reason behind it, that in the middle of the accounting year we cannot make any profit and loss appropriation account. Therefore we have to open a new short account, that is profit and loss suspense account, or temporary time purposes. After that, at the end of the year, that will be closed. So here, that is when off-date retirement is here. That time, this type of account, that is profit and loss suspense account, is open. So already I gave the hints, and last class we have considered this type of problem, where that a specific problem, under a specific problem, like retirement take place on off date. So what will be the answer? Like, learner have to think, and learner have to post in the Google Classroom. Though after that I will provide the each and every question answer, but initially each and every student are requested try to answer the 5 question, and that answer should submit in the Google Classroom. Now I am going to conclude this session. Thank you all of you.